thon ri we mai boina ta khane zela rong mai riang ga ta sai ni zo chom da ko tui ton thia rena s related questions ratio and proportions rena sin su na khoi kan so sa ma le le question ko zol ko Rohit's grandfather was 5 times older to him 5 years ago. His grandfather will be 2 times of his age after 25 years from now. What is the ratio of his age to that of grandfather? Rohit khane grandfather na the cái này tổng ratio này thế các bạn 5 years ago sẽ tôi câu past company thế 5 years ago minus 5 years tôi câu present company thế rồi past của anh tiêu là bằng thế grandfather age was 5 times sẽ tôi rồi hết ở one sum gang ko grandfather 5 sum ni thế present thôi tiêu làm cái câu này future của ni tiêu bằng đấy 25 years from now sẽ tôi present cái này 25 years ta gọi mình cần ko future này ni thế mà future tung hay tiêu là bằng grandfather is 2 times of Rohit Sam to Rohit in a one sum gan kwe grandfather is 2 sum ni the korena Rohit khat ni grandfather kne to ti kum gap te zolo ko ka zen tho ni ri thai ma sai pu kan nai to ti kum gap he ti kum ru hu nung bam ne ti kum ru tang bam ne ti kum sui tang bam ne krai to ti kum gap to sam tan bam de kum zerena Rohit khat ni grandfather to ti kum zolo ko kho pass koi one nai the Rohit grandfather ni 5 nai the kre to gap 4 nai the ko future ko zalo ko 1 nai the ko 2 nai the kre to gap 1 nai the ko piru to 4 de hay ko bang to 1 de to cái này tin sum lo ko sum mok pe jeng na ko multiply lo ko 4 ko 1 4 tao tan sum the ko we ko 4 ni multiply lo ko 4 ni multiply lo ko 4 is 4 4 to 8 ko future to 8 kan the ko ni zalo to ko past ka ni future ka này to ti kum ge ba ko grandfather ko zalo ko past ko 5 units na the future ko he 8 units na the cái này to gap he 3 units gap na the ko khane zalo to ko present ko na past time he ting pu ta kan sai ko ni present ko na ting future time he 25 years ta re to na sai to past ka ni future ka ne to gap he 25 plus 5 30 years company the kum to 3 units he 30 years company the to 3 10 to 30 ho gam to ta ni Rohit ka ni grandfather ka ne to ting kum 5 years ago don't think om phu pat ni the to into 10 slow ho into 10 to 10 years kani 50 years na the mai he 5 years ago to Rohit s kani grandfather to s time to ta present ko sade to job ni tham to plus 5 kani plus 5 slow ho to 15 years na the korina 55 years na the question is say what is the ratio of his age to that of grandfather time to hey can ratio zolo ko 5 3 to 15 505 505 to can present on age ratio he 3 is to 11 ko na time to option a so option the can zolo ko the ratio of age of Ram and Shivam is 7 is to 9 if 12 years ago the ratio of the age was 5 is to 7 then find the ratio of the age 12 years from now ko we Ram kani Shivam kani na the kani present on ratio है 7 is to 9 ना थे करने का नहीं तो 12 years ago साइम 12 years ago ये तो पास को है 5 is to 7 ना थे रैलिया मुखो का नहीं तो गैप पे जालो को गैप पे 2 ना थे को गैप पे 2 ना थे कुम थे तो का नहीं सम थे बैलेंस तो थे सा तो थे कर ना न्यू पास का नहीं प्रेजेंट का नहीं तो गैप जालो को पास को है शिवम है 7 ना थे प्रेजेंट को है 9 ना थे गैप है 2 units na the ko khane zalo ko pass ne present ne to ke 12 years na to na sam to 2 units he 12 years tab ne the 2 6 12 them to ta hai present as khane sino pu phang ne them to 6 multiplies lo ko 6 multiplies lo ko 7 6 42 ko na the 9 6 56 9 6 54 na them to find the ratio of the s 12 years from now to the 12 years tao kre 12 years to guro sai tum plus 12 lo ko khoi ni plus 12 lo ko to the 6 6 or no 4 5 na the and to ratio the pu poro sa tum them to 6 9 is 54 6 1 is 6 6 1 is 6 means to 9 is to 11 is so make answer the to option b has so me option the correct na jalo to ko the ratio of present s of a and b is 4 is to 5 and the ratio of present s of a and c is 8 is 9 if the difference between the s of a and c is 5 years then find the sum of ages of a b and c after 11 years cause I present as a is to b 4 is to 5 nice I call any a is to c 8 is to 9 9 to the side call is all 8 A ha ko A 4 này thế ko A 8 này thế cái này sum mà cái này sum đông thế thì sum ko sẽ được ko 2 multiply so ko mình to 8 cái thế ko 2 multiply so to ko hình 2 multiply so ko 5 to the 10 cái thế to ABC to ratio he thân để thân he bảo ko A is to B is to C है 8 is to 10 is to 9 is to 9 này thế question ko sai the difference between the S of A and C is 5 years में A cái này C है cái này to difference है thì cũng get 5 years sai ko A 8 này thế C है 9 này thế cái này tổng get है 1 unit này thế mà 1 unit है question is 5 years A thì nó sai mình sai to cái này present S nó gọi là phụ phần thế ko है into 5 là ko to 5 is 40 years này thế ko 10 tổng hình này into 5 so to 50 years này thế ko na into 5 9 5 is 45 ko 45 years này thế còn to find the sum of the S of the 11 years sam to 11 years to guro to na sam to akhoni 11 plus loko ko ni 11 plus loko ko ni 11 plus loko to ko 6 5 ko na 1 6 ko na 1 5 into total le phupro A plus B plus C kan wai thungai se sa to 51 plus 61 plus 56 equal to 168 years na the to option A is some option the current zalo dako the ratio between the ages of two friends B and Q is 7 is to 9 if P is 10 years younger than Q then after X years the ratio of their ages will be 4 is to 5 then find the value of X ko P khani Q sa me pu ganai na the to present as a cái này tổng ratio is 7 is to 9 này sai corona tikum x years tikum azu tagut so sa me tham ke tikum x years to in the future này thế có future ko hai cái này tổng ratio है 4 is to 5 này to na sai anh zalo da ko cái này tổng gap ta ko hai gap है 2 này thế ko gap है 1 này nó bằng thế mà है gap है sum tung thế tiền sum ko sai to ko 2 re multiply lo ko to ko ni 2 ko ni 2 sai to 8 này thế còn 5 to the 10 có 10 này thế to question is how the if P is 10 years younger than Q sai P hai mai Q also tính cùng ru galau hai to na sai to ko P tong tính cùng hai 7 này thế Q tong tính cùng hai 9 này thế to cái này tong gap hai 2 units gap này thế mai 2 units hai question is how mai 10 years hai 10 years gap hai to na sa tong em to 2 5 the 10 5 multiply xuống thế mình sẽ to 1 unit है 5 thế có nên là gap để giáo ko present cái này future tung ha mai present ko 9 này thế cái này future ko 10 này thế cái này tung gap है 1 này thế mai gap है 5 years thế mình sẽ to x equal to 5 years to option A has some option thế có nên giáo đó ko khám liên question the present S of success is 5 by 4 time of her S at the time of her marriage and her son is 1 by 5 of her S she is Saksi married 6 years ago. Find the ratio of Saksi as to her son is after 10 years ha. How no hiloko Saksi tong present as SPA tong ai hi kane na kanai Saksi tong tingkum kamai married sumai ko marriage sumai tingkum ko SM I represent so ne khuna kana pu tong SON son tong I represent so ne the question is halwe the present S of Saksi is 5 by 4 so to present S is 5 the kane ka tong tingkum marriage so me tingkum hai 4 kum I did not so kan the kum sai to ko ka saldre and her son is 1 by 5 of her S am to son kane SP Saksi ko present S kane hai 1 is to 5 ratio 9 to na sai question ko the to nu jalo ko SP he ni 5 na the ko SP ni 5 na the kum to balance so the sa tum the to hi sam ran hi pa lo ko SP SM sun zalo ko SP है 5 này thế ko SM है 4 này thế sun है 1 này thế có lẽ nu question tilom te nu zalo ko saksi sam है cái mere su me ko mai tin kum ko mai mere su the kum na kum tik to godam kan ko tikum sro to godam kan ko kum ko to present atau present as the night tung the me 6 years gap này question is she saksi mere 6 years ago that ne ta hey present he kum to tikum suru hu thang saksi he kamai mie mere suwe sa tung the kum to sm kan sp kan tung ke phe 6 years gap na the nu kum thain the khawai jalo kho sp kan sm 5 kan 4 kan tung ke phe 1 unit na the kum to nu kla phu pa ko no mai 1 unit 6 years sa tung the mi sa to tao present s tung saksi phu panu the into 6 loko just 5 to 30 years present s of saksi the kane san ha into 6 loko 6 years mai san hene tingkum sru tao present tong tingkum the tum to 10 years find the ratio of saksi s or san after 10 years I am to tingkum ru tang sa am to plus 10 loko 0 4 na the ko hene plus 10 loko san khoi nim to 16 years na the mai kanai to ratio he phu paro sa tung the kum to saksi kane san kanai to te phu lo ko 40 is to 60 to 8 5 to 40 8 to the 16 to 5 is to 2 he sum option the kum to option b he sum option the sa yang to mai to mai khorina loi mi suk ne the video he gai to na the subscribe lo wo share lo wo tung ko the